G'day, my name's Wilfred, West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 10th of the 7th, 2015, and it's 29 past 10 in the morning. And before we go down the beach, catch us some birds. That's that one there, the other ones flew off. The colourful ones are flying off. He's flying off. They didn't put bird feed down there, didn't they? Oh well. Well, we'll keep going anyway then, shall we? Go down the beach and then down the surf beach. My name's Wilfred, West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now. You can see these ones here in the middle of the lake feeding. They've been following, I think, a school of fish. Went down there early and, yeah. The side of the lake that's fully zoomed out, standing from my house. Oh, we'll go down there and we'll make a video, shall we? You all have a great day now.